Where to get a $50,000 personal loan. If you need to consolidate debt, fund home improvements, or cover another large expense, a $50,000 personal loan can be a good option. When you need a large sum of money, a personal loan may be your best option. Personal loans range from as little as a few $100s up to as high as $100,000. You can use a $50,000 personal loan to cover a wide range of expenses, including home repairs, medical expenses, and emergency funding. You'll need to meet specific income and credit requirements to qualify for a larger personal loan. Keep reading to learn where to find a larger personal loan and what you'll need to do to qualify. Where to get a $50,000 personal loan. Choosing a lender is one of the most important things you'll do when getting a $50,000 personal loan. Many lender options are available, but each lender has its own rates, terms, and fees. Be sure to compare options from multiple lenders to find the right loan for your needs. Online lenders. Online lenders offer an easy application process and are able to fund loans quickly, usually in less than 5 business days. Because online lenders tend to operate without brick-and-mortar locations, the lower overhead allows these lenders to offer better rates and terms, so they can be a great option when you're shopping around. Credible lets you compare personal loan rates from top lenders in as little as 2 minutes. Banks. Many people first think of banks when considering large personal loans. If you already have an account with a bank, you may be able to qualify for lower rates or loyalty discounts on a personal loan. Some banks offer an online application process, but others may require you to visit a branch location. Credit unions. Credit unions also offer personal loans, but you'll have to be a member to qualify. Because credit unions are not-for-profit organizations, they tend to offer lower interest rates and better terms. Be sure to visit credit unions in your area that offer $50,000 personal loans and ask if you need to become a member to qualify. What credit score do you need for a $50,000 loan? To qualify for a large personal loan, you'll likely need to have good to excellent credit. To secure a $50,000 loan, you should aim for a minimum credit score of at least 670. While some lenders will offer loans to borrowers with a lower credit score, you'll likely pay higher interest rates. If you have poor credit, consider applying to a cosigner with good credit to improve your chances of approval. Just keep in mind that if you fail to make monthly payments, your cosigner will be on the hook for the loan. You can use a site like annualcreditreport.com to get credit report for free. Be sure to dispute any errors you find with the appropriate credit bureau to potentially boost your credit score. In addition to your credit score, lender will consider other factors to decide if they should lend to you. These factors include your payment history, employment status, and your debt-to-income (DTI) ratio. What is a monthly payment on a $50,000 loan? The actual cost of a $1,000 personal loan will differ among factors, including interest rate, repayment terms, closing costs, and fees. Lender has fees, rates, and terms, so you'll pay your loan cost will vary between lenders. Here are 2 examples of what might pay for a $50,000 personal loan with different rates and terms. 3-year repayment term, interest rate, and percent. Monthly payment, $1,613. Total payment, $58,080. 5-year repayment, interest rate, 17%. Monthly payment, $1,243. Total payment, $64,557. Once you've got quotes from lenders, you can use personal loan calculator to get an idea of the total cost of your loan. Comparing 50K personal loans with personal loan, you want to consider various factors when deciding whether a lender is the right fit for your needs. A few things to consider when comparing loan offers include loan. The first thing you might consider is if the lender will loan you the full amount. If the lender won't loan you the full $50,000, you want to consider other options. Repayment term. Repayment terms determine your monthly payment and life of the loan. Most personal loan lenders offer repayment terms between 1 and 7 years. A longer payment period means a lower monthly payment, but you'll pay more in interest over time. Interest rate. The interest rate determines how much you'll pay in interest over time. Having a good excellent credit score or applying with a cosigner with good credit can help you secure a better interest rate. Fees. Some of the most common fees on personal loans are loan origination fees, repayment penalties, and these fees can add to the total cost of your loan. So make sure you're comfortable paying these lender charges. Funding time. Make sure you know how long it takes to receive money. If you fund immediately, it may not make sense to accept a loan from a lender who can't release the money for a week more. Some loans refund personal loans as soon as the next business day after approval. All banks and credit unions can take a week to apply for a $50,000 personal loan. When you're ready to apply for a $50,000 loan, follow these steps. Shop around. It's important to compare rates from these 3 different lenders to find your best option. Submit your application and required documentation. Make sure to keep these documents on hand in case the lender has questions. Complete a quick review. Some lenders require a phone interview, while others will determine your eligibility and approve your loan by phone call. See your funds. Once the lender approves your loan and you sign the appropriate documents to accept loan, you can expect to receive your funds within a few days. If you're signed on the dotted line, have a repayment plan in place. Consider setting up automatic payments. As a lender offers a discount if you get a payment paid out of your account automatically each month. Alternatives to a $50,000 personal loan. If the loan may be one of the following options. Home equity loan. Home equity loan allows you to tap into every lender property for also payment. Ideally, you should have at least 20% equity in your home loan. Home equity loan is a convenient option because you may be able to wrap the loan payment back into your payment. But if you lose your home, you can't keep up with payments. Cash out refinance. The cash out refinance lets you take advantage of low interest rates and additional cash at the same time. With cash out refinance, you can make up to 85% equity in your home with a cash payout. These types of loans all have low interest rates. You may be able to use interest rate as a tax deduction if the loan you use to save and improve your home. Again, you risk losing your house if you can't make your payments. Personal loan guarantees. How much can you borrow personal loan? Personal loans typically range from a few $100s to $100,000. The amount you qualify for will depend on your credit score, income, and other factors such as your employment and how much you need to maintain each lender has some minimum maximum amounts within it. Personal loan for borrower use personal loan for maintenance. Some of the most common personal loans include medical expenses, medication, home improvements, saving emergency fund, and ratio status. Be sure to check with lenders on your restrictions. They may have you rating out personal loan. APR is interest rate. It's the difference. The critical difference between APR and interest rate is not interest included. While both interest rate and APR are percentages,